Hello and welcome back to the channel. I just thought I would show you how to reset the service light on a 2016 Kia Sorento. Again, this is another vehicle that you don't need to use the equipment to do it. So you simply turn on the ignition. It will come up and tell you, there you go, service -2 days. And you just use these here menu button, scroll up and down and OK. So it's displaying service reset there. So you go through the menus, you go through the sound, see the little one at the top there? You want to bring that across to the picture of the spanner there, service required, and then you hold in the OK button. Just keep it held in. There you go, hold OK to reset. So it gives you the option now telling you to hold OK, which we're doing. There you go, 20,000 mile, 365 days. And you can scroll back through now, back to the menu or the service, and it's telling you there 365 days. So now, if I put the car back to its default setting, turn the key off, take it out, put it back in, should be done. There we go, no more warning coming up. Start the engine. And we can't scroll back through. There you go, 20,000 mile, 365 days. So that is how you reset the service light on a 2016 Kia Sorento. I would imagine other ones are very similar to that as well. So thank you for watching. Like, subscribe. Thank you. Bye.